During a car ride, our active toddler may try to roll down the window or open the car door. First, to prevent them from rolling down the window by themselves, on your driver's side, you want to press this lock button. Then the button here until you see the green light go on. You may have a different car, so the button may look a little different. I'm sure all the recent cars have these features.
Uh-oh, it's not coming down.
Second, to prevent them from opening the door, here is the door next to the car seat. On the side of the door, look for this child-proof button and slide it down. There should be the same button on the side of both back doors. Your child can't open the door from the inside, but you can open the door from the outside when taking them out of the car.
Try to open it. Try to open it.
If you find this video helpful, please subscribe for more helpful videos.